Tornado warning!
First alert, WX167.
Joshua Tree and entire palms. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly and runoff will impact Highway 62. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Twentine Palms Airport and Joshua Tree. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Heavily terrain 100 to low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route. You are listening to our weather radio stations KXI83 and Impact. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona until 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:55 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in North Kingman. Up to an inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kingman and New Kingman, but